Also, how come on the box these look so good and mine did not come out anything like that? Like anything. They're terrible. Hola, hi, I'm back, you're back, we're all back, and it's almost Christmas time. So I bought a gingerbread village. If you follow me on Instagram, you've seen me do a poll. Like, I asked gingerbread village or gingerbread house. So, you know, you guys voted the gingerbread village probably because they were the same price. They were only $8, so go get you one. I don't know if you guys voted this one because of it comes with more little houses. I don't know. So I'm gonna tell you a secret. I haven't made a gingerbread house or like gingerbread anything, village, whatever, since like literally kindergarten. Since literally like pre-K, you know what I mean? Like, I don't know. Do you guys remember like making those little gingerbread houses and then you would take them home and then like you would let them sit because you were a little kid and then you would try to eat them like 4 weeks after you made it and it was just disgusting. I don't know if you did that, but I definitely did that and it was not fun. Today I'm gonna eat this whole thing in one day after I make this. Duh. And it only has 120 calories per serving size. And there's 26 servings. So let's open it. Let's do this. And open this. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. I didn't expect it to be that small, but it's so awesome. Okay. Oh, this is so fun. I haven't done this in like since like kindergarten. Pre-K, same thing. So I'm gonna open this royal icing. It smells so good. So I don't know how to open this, so I'm gonna bite it. Oh, there's the icing. So the biting it worked. That's not wasteful, right? I just want to. That tastes bomb. Delish. Let's get all this. I just don't know how to make the little gingerbread houses. Oh my goodness, that smells so good. Like, I'm literally not kidding you guys. This smells like gingerbread candle. Like, you know what I mean? Like a gingerbread Merry Christmas candle. Oh, wow, that smells so amazing. Wow, 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 wow.
Wow.
Okay, I don't know how to make these. Oh, they have little cute doors. Oh, this is so cool. Getting started. Separate the 5 mini village houses into individual panels. What? This is too much. I'm lost. I don't know how to do this. Also, I can't cuss, so I'm not gonna cuss. Cause like I'm trying to be more child friendly. So like if kids want to subscribe, like hi, I'm here. I don't cuss. Like hi, tell your parents to watch me too. You know what I mean? Like so I'm trying to be child friendly and like not cuss. Also, my mom gets mad at me. So those ones go together. Oh, this one's a huge one. Ah! I can't do this. This is so hard. I feel like stupid. Like I can't fix this. Like I don't know what to do. Regular house right here, guys. And this, see, I hate when YouTubers do that thing I just did. When I'm like, guys, like, since you're here with me, you know what I mean? Like, no, like, but also I'll keep doing it. Subscribe for more. This is a disaster because this is not, like, look, it's not there. Like, I don't know what to say. Like, I think I'm missing a door. Like, I'm only missing one piece. Okay, let's do the building. So we're going to make the building. So I'm going to put all of this. I hope you can see. I hope this is in the frame, like, seriously. Also, I just cleaned the table, so nobody be like,
You're so disgusting. Like, why are you doing that on the table? Like, you are so disgusting. Like, it's germ infested.
because, like, I cleaned this table. I did it. Trust me, believe it or not, I did. I should have recorded it for proof. But so we're going to do the building. This one's the building. So basically, it's going to be like, okay. So I'm going to stop reading the directions and just see what happens because... Shoot, there's supposed to be icing at the bottom. I'm gonna make a mess on this table. And honestly, I'll clean it. So, okay, this is not coming out good. Like, at all. So, I'm gonna fix this, guys. Just wait. Wait here. Now that that's fixed, let's make this stupid house. Well, it's not a house, it's a building. The houses aren't. So this is like where the elves or whoever or whomever they like live, so that's great. I don't understand how this is gonna stick together, you guys. I don't understand. Okay, it's sticking. Okay, hopefully my dad doesn't get mad, but I'm going to clean this anyway, and I'm the only one who cleans, so he gets mad when I say that, but I mean, if the shoe fits, wear it, you know what I mean? Oh shoot, I'm supposed to put icing at the bottom of all of them. So let me move this. It is sticking though, which I was like, how in the world is it gonna stick together? Oh my god! I just ripped a hole in this icing. That's not supposed to be like that. Gosh, this is terrible. Guys, this is really terrible. Because like, maybe I should put the icing on it first. See, this is like when YouTubers, like, when stuff goes wrong in the video, like, I literally am like, oh, they faked that. Like, they faked that. They like, but like, no, this just went bad. Like, how did this happen? This whole cap ripped off. Okay, I'm just gonna use my hands from now on because this is a mess and I just want this to be successful. Like, I just wanted this to be a successful Christmas video. Like, yes, we're Christmassy, we're in the times, you know, like, and that's definitely not what's happening because there's a rip in the tube, which is basically the glue. So I have to like get it and like place it on there. Oh my god, my dad is gonna be pissed because I feel like already like 20 minutes has passed. So I don't know. I'll just edit it really well. Oh my goodness, this is terrible. See, notice how I'm saying goodness instead of like the F word or like bad words because we don't stand bad words. We say good words only. Sisters. Okay. Oh! No, you guys, this is not going well. Okay, no, it's going well. It's going perfect. It's going perfect. It's going perfect. Oh my goodness. Also, if my hair's a mess, don't judge because I can't look. I haven't been able to see myself this whole video. So if it's a mess, I don't know about it. So don't tell me because I don't want to know. I wish I could just fast forward through life like how I'm going to do editing. Like fast forward to when I fix this. But I can't because life is just constantly going. You can't really fast forward through it. Even though sometimes you just want to. So I don't know how to fix this. Also, this icing, it's sticking really well. So, because at first I was like, how in the world is this going to stick? But now I'm like, perfect, it's going to stick. Oh my gosh! Okay, this is the building. This is the building. Right here we have the building. Can you see? I hope. Now let's make the toy barn. Oh, I shouldn't have made this. Oh, wow. Okay, we're going to make the toy barn. You guys, I'm on the verge of canceling this video because I don't know how to fix this. Point blank period. Like, oh my gosh, I almost said I have no friends, but then that would have been like rude. This one is hard. This one is real hard. Like, this one is not going to be fun to make. Should I be like, making a gingerbread village fail? Like, is that what this is going to be titled? Okay. Okay, this is actually coming together. I hate having to use my fingers, but I think this is what happened when God made, like, me and, like, my family. Is that rude to say? Because we're kind of a mess. So, like, I'm kind of relating to this. This is getting serious. I just put icing on that. So I'm going to put my hair up. I'm definitely not going to lick my fingers and then wash it so I can put my hair up. Definitely not. Okay, my hair is up in a chongo. This looks horrible. It's falling apart. Like, no, like, stay alive. Please and thank you. Oh my god. Okay, maybe more icing will fix this. Should I not worry about this building? It's like snow. My dad is gonna be pissed. My dad is gonna be pissed that the table is covered in icing. Yeah. Period. How? Like, you couldn't have manufactured this better? Like, how, if the icing rips, it's game over. I wonder if what if they're, like, in the factory just, like, making the gingerbread stuff, like, you know, like, placing them in the boxes, and they're like, how about we make, like, 1 in 10 boxes? Let's just make the icing and, like, let it mess up. I almost said F up, but I'm a child-friendly channel, so I'm not gonna say that. Fudge. Oh my god, okay. I'm trying to face the door towards you guys so you can, like, experience this, but, like, I know the factory people are messing with me. I almost said effing with me, but child friendly. I know the factory people are messing with me because that was not supposed to happen. The fact that that ripped apart is like not, it's a no-go for me. You know what I mean? Like it's kind of ruining the whole experience, but we're going to make it work. And if this video is 50 minutes long, I'm going to have to edit and edit and edit and edit and edit and edit. So that's fun. Yeah, that's fine. I'm trying to go fast. Okay. How did the icing... maybe I pushed too hard. Maybe it's my fault. I need to stop blaming other people for my actions. Like, the factory people, they don't deserve this. They don't deserve me dragging them because I ripped the icing. Or maybe they did do this on purpose. I don't know. Because that's definitely not supposed to happen. But I'm kind of, like, crazy. Like, in the worst way. So, I probably just ripped the effing tube. You know what I mean? Geez, I love being child-friendly because... YouTube is gonna get me so much more views because I'm a child-friendly channel. YouTube, you heard it here first. I'm now child-friendly. I won't be cussing in my videos. Hit me up. Sponsor me. What am I talking about? What the am I talking about? Bleep that out because we're child-friendly. This is so cute. I mean, I don't know if I can say cute because I'm a guy and guys can't say cute. And yes, my hands are clean. My hands are clean. So don't even try. Don't even start with me. Literally, don't even start with me. My hands are clean. I went to Pro Start. I know how to do this. My hands are clean. I can use my hands to make this. Shoot. Shoot. This has to be covered in icing too. Shoot. No! What? No, I literally just spent all my time making that. Like, what do you mean? What do you mean? Oh my god. I know I'm being dramatic. Don't comment that. Oh my god. You guys, this just fell. Ah, I'm so mad. It literally feels like I've just had a child and they just like ruined me. Like, I just birthed you and you just fall. Oh my god, that's how my parents feel. Oh my god. Can I say oh my god if I'm a child-friendly channel? OMG, OMG, OMG. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my. Look at that face. Okay. Whoa, that came together. That came together rather quickly. Did it not? How are you? This better be good. You guys... Okay, let me ask you something. If you're this far in the video, send this to a friend because believe it or not, when people watch my videos, like at school or like they finally watch it, you know what I mean? Like someone, like just say someone watched it, right? Because this is what happened. They watched it and they came up to me at school and they're like, I finally watched your videos, bro. It was a guy, like, you know, like a jock, like cool. He's like,
I didn't expect them to be good.
I'm like, you didn't expect my videos to be good? He's like, nah, like,
I just didn't think they'd be good, but like I laughed at your videos.
like, which this is no shade to the guy that, because hopefully you're watching this and keeping up to date as a loyal subscriber. He's all,
I even subscribed, like your videos are actually good.
But I wasn't mad. I was just like, cool, like thanks for actually watching my videos. Anyway, what I was getting at with that conversation was you should send my videos to a friend, like your bestie. Like, I know everyone has besties and we get new ones every few weeks because, you know, friendships fall through and that's fun. That's fun, is it not? Send this video to a friend because if it's not good, don't ever think you have to do that for me. But, like, people, like, are
like, your videos are actually good. Like, I cannot believe it. Like, they're actually good.
And I'm like, yeah, they're good. So thanks for that. This is a mess. This is like a hot mess. Do you guys clean your tables at home? Answer now in the comments below. Okay, this doesn't look that bad. Let me see it from the front. Okay. That doesn't look that bad. Okay, doesn't look bad. Let me look in the viewfinder. Oh god, it looks terrible. Oh my god, Becky, look at that house. And I'm gonna decorate my gingerbread houses. Alright, we're gonna decorate these and yeah, stop judging me. Oh my gosh. I do use my mouth to open everything. Stop judging. Wow. Alright. It's falling! No. It's falling from the back again. Oh my god. I fixed it. We're good. Alright. No, this is not happening. This is really not happening. It happened. Fudge, 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 Rutgers. No, it's falling again. Stop! Oh my god. Hi, MTV. This is my gingerbread crib. Yes, I made this just now. So, look at it. Wow. Oh, wait. Okay. Perfect. Perfect. My body's perfect. Nobody's perfect. I'm perfect. I didn't add no back decorations to the back, but we'll not pay attention to that. This one is doing horrible. The house is caving in, but it has sprinkles on the top. So it has sprinkles on the top. I'm gonna let my brother do those ones. But look at my house, and it has the little red stuff. I don't know what that is. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Nobody's perfect. So I just finished editing. I hope you guys liked the video. I thought it was funny. It was super fun to make. I don't know. Hope you guys liked it. I don't know what else to say. Click on one of these videos that are going to pop up in my little outro to watch another one. Watch my ASMR. And I have a Nicki Minaj ASMR. So check that out. Thank you guys so much for all... Like, literally, I've been getting so much support recently. And it's because I've been pushing out these videos. But I appreciate you guys. I really, really do. And of course, like I say always, I love you if you subscribe. So subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. It means a lot. This whole thing means a lot. I don't know. This is like the only thing that makes me happy. Doing this, editing, and posting YouTube videos. So I really appreciate it because it's kind of hard for me to be happy. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Hope you guys liked the gingerbread houses because I did. Bye.